So I'm going to let it save me. Get that out of the way. We're not going to work with this. I'm just going to close it just to clear out the space. Where you start is, we are at the dashboard. This is Welcome to WordPress. It's got different areas of comments and different things to do. It's suggesting that. We don't need to do a full tour of the dashboard. It's there. You can look at it separately. I think at this, now we should go change some of our settings. Okay, so I went to, on the left-hand side, this area here is where all your navigation menus are. That's where you will create pages, edit pages, posts, add media, pictures, plugins, themes, and there's a whole menu in there we're going to get into with that, through the course of our 4 sessions. For right now, let's just go to our settings, and it goes to general settings.
In my left, I don't have a settings tab there.
I don't either.
Who said that? I've never seen one. Let me have one. Does anybody else not have settings? Somebody visit you.
This is what you're now.
Okay.
Change all of these. She'll go around and do you want to keep your email?
Somewhere they'll send you. I've done this once. WordPress.com. I did it last week just to see how social it is.
It'll change the title.
They'll send you an email.
I'm sorry, yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure. Randy?
Yeah.
You, she's in WordPress.
I do have a WordPress blog. That's associated. I don't know.
Yeah, you go to her, they'll look over here. Or you can look around to Crystal. Yeah, I don't know if WordPress.com is not going to look the same as a self-hosted WordPress. But if you're on WordPress, self-hosted WordPress, you just did an install and you're not seeing this, or is anybody having any issues that it's on self-hosted?
Where do you get to that page from?
This page, I was on the dashboard when I logged in, and there's a settings menu towards the left.
Okay, well, I couldn't, and I just couldn't get it, so I just created this WordPress.com. I want to go to WordPress.org because my JavaScript's not too opaque. So.
All right.
Okay.
So
WordPress.com is going to be different than this. It doesn't give you this full power and functionality that we're getting. Some of these settings are not.
WordPress.org.
I remember some of that one.
If you can be, are you on WordPress.org?
Well, I could go to either. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to do.
If you're able to go to use WordPress.org,
That's what I want.
yeah, that's what we're walking through.
I'm on WordPress.com, WordPress.com now.
Okay.
I have no idea where I am or what I'm doing.
Yeah, he said go to .com too. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to walk. Who is using the self-hosted? Ran the installer. Okay.
Is that self-hosted?
Are you able to get? Okay. Is anybody else?
On that page? Yeah.
Yes. Okay, good. And so I'm going to go ahead, we're going to go ahead and make some of these changes, and we're going to have this on video. When you get set up on WordPress.org, you can watch some of these. The site title at the top is the Better Home Sales that I just entered, but the tagline is just another WordPress website, and you want to get rid of that because that doesn't really do your business any good to say just another WordPress website. I know. And you'll see this, now you'll see this all the time.
So what is the tagline for?
The tagline is something that's a few words about your business. I'm gonna make, this is a totally made up site. I'm gonna say, sell more houses. Become a top agent. Oh, you know what? I should have the word real estate in there.
Now, is this used for some, will this show up somewhere else?
It will, I will show you.
Okay.
It will show up somewhere, and
Yeah.
these are words. It's not an image. You want to use something that has your business keywords. I'm doing real estate. This is made up. Real estate coaching for real estate agents. So I'm putting houses, real estate, top agent, things that are related to my business, because it will help me in search. I'm going to go to the next line, the URL, and I'm going to put www dot, because I want my site address to be officially that. There's some SEO issues that we're taking care of that will be separate. We'll help you.
She's under general settings.
Now, time zone isn't that critical, but if you start posting blog posts, then you're going to get some weird times that won't make sense. While you're in this page, I recommend changing it to our current time zone. And I know a little trick that if you type V, it goes to Vancouver and you don't have to search all over. And that works. I've done a lot of WordPress sites.
Or LA too.
I think LA's in there, but there's not a whole lot of cities that start with V, and Vancouver shows up first, so I take it. So I'm going to save the changes. Oh, I changed it to www dot, so it makes me log in again. So one moment. And that will happen to you. And it's not anything to get worried about. You didn't break anything. It looks like it's just and I have the site open in another tab. I'm going to refresh. You'll notice that just another WordPress site became sell more houses, become a top real estate agent. And that's where that tagline goes now until we've made further customization. It's nice to have a tagline that reflects the nature of your business and a keyword from that. Now looking at the site, a default starter WordPress install starts out with a sample, a post for you. They give you a little bit of content. It's always hello world. We'll delete that, and they'll set up a sample page, and it shows up here, sample page. And it's just something that we'll delete also. So we're going to go back to our, where we're logged in. And let's change, I think I want to get rid of that. Nobody's business is, I think, reflects well with those kind of images in this theme. So let's get rid of, I want to get rid of the images. So on the left, there's something called, there's a menu item, appearances. It expands out to multiple menu items. Themes is the most general. I'll take you there first. And the default theme for WordPress is called 2011. And we're going to change that in the course of this month. But right now we're working with 2011 because Fresh Udon that has the site uses it. So go ahead and look at your site. It'll take a few minutes. I don't want to get too rushed.
And is it true that you can choose a theme and then you can choose another theme later if you decide that?
And we're going to do that with this one. This is the site I'm building here. We're going to do that, I think, in session 3, where we really play with themes. We're going to try something like this. No, let's go get another one. Let's try that and see how it works and play with them.
Can I see anything like this on WordPress? I'm in here now.
Oh.
I mean, can I see things? I mean, I don't see anything that looks like this.
Leslie will take
Did you
it.
save your settings?
I don't know where to go from here.
We're gonna help you.
I'm just, I mean, now I've got the next page, I don't know, it's just.
Maybe.
Because, I mean, I shouldn't even look at this, I should just watch it.
I already saved the changes, I did that.
You're on WordPress.com.
You have to go what?
Okay, that's,
Didn't you tell us to go to that?
if you,